Hello, you guys. Today I will be doing a little bit experimenting. I'm not for sure what we're going to end up with. I'm just going to give it a go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to lay the paint on the canvas in like a circular motion, and then I'm just going to blow it out. I did an old painting a long time ago, and I really wanted to create that look. So I'm going to see if it gives me that. I have a little bit more of this paint left. I know I said in my last video that I was using the rest of the paint, but there's a little bit more left, and I'm trying to just use those colors. Let's give it a go, you guys. I also have this little blow dryer that everyone has been using, so it should help with the smaller canvas. Okay, I'm gonna put this on here because it's a lot of this, a lot more of this than anything else. I'm just gonna go ahead and spread this around. It's most likely going to be blown off. Edges is usually the part that doesn't get the paint. So just try to put some on here. There's no rhyme or reason to my color orientation. I just, I do not want it to be the same look as the other paintings I've done with these colors. So trying to do a little bit different color orientation. As you can see, we out of that green. It's finally gone. I told you I was just experimenting. I'm just getting rid of this paint so I won't try to use it again. I love these colors. I feel like that dark pink is going to take over. Okay, I think I may need to add a little bit more black. Go around. Okay, now I'm going to do something I've never done before. I don't know. I just don't like sticking stuff in the paint, but let's just play with it. I don't know if this will make a difference being that I'm blowing it out. Okay. I'm interested to see what this is gonna look like. Look like we have some bubbles. Let's torch. Okay. wow. This little blow dryer does make a difference because you're able to control it more and it doesn't just go all over the place. Wow. That is not at all what I was expecting. I wish I had a picture of the painting that I'm talking about, but I don't. I gave it to my mom because she said she liked it. So I said, okay, I'll just give it to her. This is not at all what I'm talking about, but it is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I just love these darn colors. And this looks like the Dutch pour blowout with the flower. Look at those edges. Oh my goodness. Now this is awesome. Oh my goodness. I have to bring you down so that you can see a close-up. The colors. I love these colors, you guys. It's just amazing. I apologize for using this color on several of the videos, but the next video would definitely be different colors because I don't even have any more mixed up. It's just easier when you have the paint already mixed up for you to be able to, you know, just go ahead and get ready for your pour. Let me bring you down for a close-up. Okay, here we go. You guys, I thought that the last pour was my absolute favorite. I don't know. This one may be my favorite. It really may be my favorite out of the ones that I use with the same color palette. And even though I use the same colors, they all look different. It doesn't look exactly like the same palette. Oh my, it's just so gorgeous. I think that it's so pretty. Tell me what you think, you guys. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe on my video. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so that you'll receive a notification once a new video is posted. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Oh, I love it. Until the next time, you guys, happy pouring. Thanks for watching.